Hello guys, and thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy to tell you finally we've got that home decor in that we've been waiting for so that we could complete part 3 of the bedroom makeover. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, and welcome to part 3 of this episode of the bedroom makeover. We finally got that decor in, and I'm going to give you a little tour around the room so that you can see what they are. And what I want to start with is this mirror. I've always wanted to put this mirror somewhere. I bought it at Walmart a long time ago. I just thought it was the cutest mirror. And I kind of made this bedroom theme wrap around it. So as you know, I've got to take these little board pieces off. I haven't done that yet. But what made me draw from this mirror is this silver border. It matches the bedspread. It was $39. So I decided to take a couple of the pillows off the bed and the throw as well. I can put them all back on, but I wanted to show off my headboard a little bit more. And I just threw them here in this throw basket, which I thought was cute. And I'm going to show you a refresh of this lamp. It's a very special lamp to me. I got this lamp about 20 years ago, and it's actually something a little bit different than what I usually buy, but because of the height and the quality, it's really heavy and sturdy. I went on and bought it. It was the only one. There wasn't a set, and it was a really good price. So I replaced the shade. I got this at Homegoods for $16.99. So pretty much I taped off those stripes and painted them all silver. These stripes used to be pink, light green, and lilac. I have some matching vases that are also a metallic shiny silver. These are pretty interesting. I got these from the At Home store. And one of the details about these branches that I like, I've got about 3 bundles in here, and they were each $3.99, $4. And one of the bunches has crystals at the end. They're like teardrop crystals. I'm going to see if I can get close enough for you to be able to see them. There they are. Okay. And one of the things I like about this particular headboard, which is why I took some of the pillows off, is the fact that these actually are wall mounting pieces that you can use to decor your home office or your bedroom. Any wall that you want panels on, you can put these on an entire wall to cover. And I got these on sale on Amazon.com. These are usually just 4 of them are about $179, and I got them for $69 on sale. So here's that Mosaic mirror art I got from Pier Imports, and I love the way it accents the room. It matches the end tables, the mirror end tables, as well as the mirrored vases. Now I'm just going to take you around and try to do a 360 view for you. The other vase that I got in the set. These came from Home Depot, and the branches came from Amazon.com. Big great branches here, and I love these vases. They're so reflective of anything they come near, as you can see. And the set for the vases were $60, the branches were $19. one of the things that I am going to also let you know is the rug. I forgot to mention in part 2 of the makeover where I got this rug from. So I got this rug from Ross, and I was taking a gamble, a big gamble. I had no idea if it was going to match my decor. I hadn't even taken anything out the actual package yet, so I was pleasantly surprised to see that it actually did match. So there we have it. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.